Welcome out with the Finn. For the next 2 days I'll be exploring the Finnish Lapland together with my fiance and our dog Kerttu. We'll spend the first night in our DIY tiny camper van and the second at a cozy cabin below the Arctic hills. So come along to this relaxing road trip through wilderness fireplaces all the way to the snowy north. Enjoy!
Well, good morning from Lapland.
We drove here yesterday. It was approximately 11 p.m. when we arrived and got to sleep by midnight. Now we're on the parking area of Kätkävaara. We left these windows in the front a bit cracked and we also had the roof went open and there is not that much moisture compared to when I was here alone. Let's go make some breakfast. So we visited this place last summer and we knew that there is this fireplace right next to the parking area. So we'll make breakfast here. I bought this to try out. It's like liquid berries. You can just drink it straight from there. Bon appetit. Yeah, that's really good. It has a strong taste though, but it's really good. Oh yeah, well that was a lovely breakfast place. The parking area there was just so great for us. There was even a toilet right there and there is absolutely no one here. And now we're going to continue our way deeper to Lapland. Tästä.
Toi oli Lapland Hotel.
Look at our van next to a regular camper van. So yeah, we reserved one hotel night for this trip. It was on a discount, but we should have a room in a cabin somewhere. This is lovely. Yes, kiitoksia. Okay, this is so weird. This is my first burger that I'm eating that is gluten and milk free. And you cannot even tell it from it. I think the cheese is vegan and they just switched the bun to be gluten free. It tastes so good. That's done. Got the keys to our cabin. They have made beds for 6 people. Yeah, but this is a cozy cabin. Oh, there is a sauna. Let's go, we have a sauna here. I didn't know that. So this trip once again is a bit different than we planned. We were supposed to leave yesterday morning, but I got flu in the beginning of this week. So we weren't even sure that if we could live here. And now my fiance got the flu that I had in the beginning of the week. So we're just going to take it easy and not go on that long hikes as we planned. On this lake they had an ice fishing competition earlier this week. There were like 2,000 people participating and all the hotels and cabins were just full of people. But now there is no one. Great for us. Somebody left a bunch of paper here. Crazy snowstorm. Rabbit! Oh wow. There goes some real nice hiking trails around here. So I really wish my fiance feels better tomorrow and we can go for a little hike over there. This looks like a completely different place now that it's not snowing and we can actually see something. Time for sauna. That Harvia stove is just so great. Very good löyly. The best way to cool down after a sauna. After my last cabin video, I was told that you are not supposed to light the stove so that the firewood is laying down flat like this. Instead, they should be upright. So I will try that now for the first time. Looking good. Who would like to have some porridge from the morning? Thankfully I took this with me because there is no olive oil and we don't have any butter for frying. So I have some olive oil from my last camping trip. Lihaa ja perunaa. That's done. I made the dinner, so she's doing that. Kerttu, tule ulos pissille. We didn't get that much sleep last night in the van, so we are already real tired. Going to sleep soon. See you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. We went to sleep already so early. It's currently 6 a.m. Wow, it's going to be a beautiful day. Huomenta. All these things and I need to eat gluten-free. Thankfully there's oatmeal. The waiter recognized me and asked if I'm out with a Finn vlogger. That is so cool. They have really good oatmeal here. Surprisingly good for gluten-free bread. This music is really getting up my morning vibe. That's done. This is a real nice looking hotel. Kirkasta. It's so bright. Bye-bye cottage. Okay, well that was a lovely stay, but we have to change the plans. My fiance here is not feeling that great, so we are not going for a hike today either. We're just going to drive back home now. There is the Santa Claus village. Okay, that was a bit boring video. We didn't even get to the national park, but still we had great time. You never know when you catch the flu, that's life. But anyways, if you enjoyed it, leave a like and remember to subscribe because I promise the next video will be more interesting. But otherwise, thank you for watching and see you in our next adventure.